That's a whole double axel.
And I said, I want to make history. And that's what this is.
Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to my old skating videos.
Show me to me, please. Send it to me, Rachel.
I'm going to be sort of giving you the tips on what not to do and what to do and like how to fix your technique. So stick around.
I could judge you on your lack of talent. You're a phony amateur girl.
To you, because you're a mean girl.
This first video is my first 7 months of skating. I look like a baby. I think I had Jackson Mystique skates. I bought these from eBay. They were a size too big and I didn't sharpen them when I first got them. And so I don't know how I was skating in them at all. Ooh, my arm technique. I think I struggled with like holding my arm position well because my arm was very like that instead of like super level, which is what you want. I was really struggling to hold a 1 foot glide because my blade was like really flat because I didn't have it sharpened. So I literally couldn't hold an edge. And because these were secondhand skates, they broke.
I said, oh,
jump scare.
Don't get secondhand skates off of eBay. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is literally so traumatizing. Yeah, so after my skates literally broke off of my feet, I bought pick skates because like it was the pandemic and we couldn't really skate. Fun fact, I actually learned how to do a waltz jump off of the ice before I moved on to do it on the ice. I really do feel like having roller skates, it teaches you how to like push and have like super strong edges, because I feel like when you're first starting out it's like really scary to just like move on the ice and you're super stiff. So I feel like if you practice on roller skates as well, it'll sort of teach you how to use the friction to your advantage. It'll really translate onto the ice as well. I actually remember learning that you have to like rise onto your toe pick to jump, because when I first tried jumping, I think I just like slammed my toe pick onto the concrete and obviously like I fell like flat on my face. Yeah, so I think it looks like I bought some blades off of eBay and I like got the wheels off of my pick skates, like my inline skates, and just swapped them for blades, which is really, it's a little bit sketchy. I wouldn't recommend doing that because I don't really know what boot I was wearing. It's a little bit sketchy. So you could see my arm position was really whack. It was like all the way behind my back. You don't want that. You want to have it like at the side of your body when you jump. You don't want to be going like throwing yourself forward. Try and keep it controlled. It's not about just like looking pretty, but it's also about being in control, knowing how to hold your arms in the proper position and really engage all your muscles. So it's not just about looking pretty. You can see how stiff I am in my sow cow because I just refuse to bend my knees for some reason. You definitely don't want to do that. You want to be able to bend and create a deep edge and to scoop and to jump. So surprisingly, my spins were actually pretty decent. They do look a bit wonky because I had like a really wide spin position. I think I held my arms like this, which you're not supposed to do. It's supposed to be like a V in front of you. So yeah, and like you want to make sure your hip is not like hanging out. You want to have it in front of you as well. Just have like a very controlled spin position. I think you can see as like the months move on, you can see that I'm getting a little bit more controlled in how I move my arms. And even though I still kind of look a little bit wonky, it's still, I'm trying to be more controlled, which I appreciate. Yeah, I wanted to be like an ambidextrous, is that the word? Ambidextrous jumper. So I can still do a waltz jump on my left side, but I can't do anything else. Yeah, my inside edges were so good. It's really important to practice your edges. Inside, outside, forward, backwards. Yeah, somehow I made it work, but I definitely had a really weird scratch spin technique. With the sit spin, if you don't have a closed, like if you don't close your thighs and if you're not low enough, it's not really gonna work out for you. Because you can see how like loose I was. I had speed, which was like a good thing, but I was not bent enough. And I think that's probably because of my boots. If you don't have strong enough boots, it makes it really hard to actually sit really low in your spin. Okay, we have more color in this video. I love to see it. Okay, so my flip jump definitely did not start off looking very well. As with all things, but it definitely did not resemble a flip jump at all. I'd say the evolution of my flip jump is the most interesting thing to see. You can sort of see that I throw my arms around a lot and my legs sort of throw me off balance. Okay, so in this one right here, you can see where I'm actually bending my legs for once, and my Salchow looks good because of that. But then I resort to my old habits, and you can see with my stiff leg, my Salchow looks really weird. So don't do that. Bend your knees, please. Ooh, the Johnny Weir slide. The Johnny Weir slide. I think I was doing it wrong. You can see my toe pick is like dragging into the ice. It's not supposed to do that. I still can't do it though. Fun fact, I met Johnny Weir. He's so fun. So you could see with the backspin that I was really trying to figure out the mechanics of it. You could see how awkward it is. Yeah, I don't even know how I was spinning. Moving on. Okay with the intro. As every month goes on, my editing skills just gets better and better. Salchow. Okay, not bad. Could be better. Still a bit spaghetti-y. I need to bend my knees more. Oh, no. Oh. Girl. If you want your Salchow to work, you have to anchor your jump like this. If you let your arm like get away from you, you're gonna lose your jump. So you really want to be like together. So if your arm like travels away from you and you're jumping like this, it's not gonna work. So anchor your jump. No. My flip jump. Oh no. So like you can see how like laborious it was for me to like pick my toe pick. It shouldn't be like that. It should just be like a quick tap on the ice. There's so many things wrong with this. It's almost like I would slow down as I was picking, which is you're supposed to, if anything, speed up, not slow down. Ooh, okay. That was not bad. You can see I'm trying to follow all of the rules and techniques of going into a waltz jump, which I appreciate. It's definitely important as a beginner to try and do as many things right as you can so you don't develop like terrible technique. So like not looking down, holding your arms out properly. Big tip. If you're going backwards, look where you're going. Look behind you, please, because you're gonna like run into somebody. Another thing I notice is a lot of beginners struggle with holding their entrance edge. It's on a line. And so if you are not giving yourself enough push to make it all the way around and you only make it here, you're gonna twizzle out and travel, if that makes sense. Like you need to be able to push to make that C. So yeah, bend your knees and push. You can sort of see my flip jump getting better. She's getting there. I honestly don't even know what skates I'm skating in. This could be my debut fusions, maybe. Ooh, that was a good one. I'm so proud of myself. 1 year on ice featuring AXELS. Ooh, loop jump. That's new. Okay, I landed her. When did that happen? I'm so ambitious. I love that. These are pretty good. I don't have much to complain about. Okay, my flip jumps were definitely getting a lot better, as you can see. They're still a little bit awkward, but she got some airtime. Ooh, that was so good. Toe loop. I don't want to see it. My eyes are closed. I don't want to see her. Salchow. What was I wearing? Oh no. Yeah, I had no control over that one. Oh, that was cute. Okay, whew, AXELS. You know what's funny? I really thought you had to put like a lot of speed into an axel. And so when I first did it on the harness, I actually did a double, which is like, that's so delulu of me. That, like, look at that. That's a whole double axel.
I said, I want to make history. And that's what this is.
I love that for me. Okay, so we're gonna watch some of my axel fails. No. Girl. Oh, that is not an axel. What was I even doing? Oh, I think my problem is that I just did not have a strong enough edge. I was like trying to do a waltz jump into an axel. Like an axel is an edge jump. You need to have a good edge or you're not gonna go anywhere. That was so close. See? hard work pays off. Let me know if this was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe because I will be more consistent, I promise. But stick around. I have a lot more things planned, but thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe. Thank you.